Okay, everyone. Hi, good night. Well, right now I'm gonna be asking my daughter some questions. I'm getting her ready for Miss World 2020. K Eyes, K Eyes.
Yeah,
I would like to ask you some questions.
sure.
You can pay me like a man. She don't even send me a video. Anyways, would you like to become Miss World 2020?
Of course.
So how do you getting prepared to do that? Or how prepared are you?
100%.
100% prepared. Okay, well, I'm gonna be asking you some questions right now. So what's your motivation? What is your motivation? What
Motivate.
motivates you?
Oh, um,
Come on, come look at so.
what motivates me?
Me want to just look on
Mm, myself.
you
My
motivate.
words encourage me to go on
Oh, you were.
because I'm an author.
So what would you like to become in life?
I would like to become a forensic scientist.
Take it on the table now.
I'm shy.
So so who is your idol?
Actually, myself.
You are your
Everything,
idol.
yes. My beauty alone just encouraged me.
Can I pity this man? Alright, so if you should win Miss World, right?
Mhm.
And you get all those monies, like who is the first person you would give some of your money to?
Well, not say like person, but I will make sure my bank account gets money first, and then I will share the rest of the money to my mother.
So why your mother couldn't come first? Your mother
Um,
could have come first.
no,
So you couldn't give your mother money first. What that
because
what is for?
I need
Bank
money.
account come first before your
I
mother.
I need money to buy my makeup, my clothes, and my shoes, and that's all matters. But
Oh,
my
that's
mother
all
had to
matter.
get some.
No, 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 no.
Say alright.
No, you
Say
put
if
your
you
mother last and you put yourself first, your bank account first, and your ear and your pretty
okay.
pretty, and then
My
your mother.
question is, Angel, if you win $1 million, um, who was the first? Who will be the first person?
You not have to ask that. You know always I spend out
Alright.
my money. You know always I use my money. So why you ask me that?
Alright.
Who
Listen.
is the first? No, 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 no. Anytime me got my money, who is the first person that spend my money? Who the first
Um,
person spend my money?
you.
No troops. Who first spend my money? Me. Sometimes me not even know. Me not even get $1 out of it.
Okay, my mother
No, 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 no,
first.
no, no, ungrateful. You know what? Pack your bag and come out of your yard. Come out of me yard. Me I call your father. Watch. No, sir. This not right. This cannot be right, man.
Mm.
It's alright.
Next
I
question.
have a plan. Don't me not really want to ask you nothing more. Me don't want to ask you nothing. Because it look like to me only I waste all my money. For me come second or third. That's not right. That's right. Well, whatever. Go on, it's alright. I know all time days now, so me glad me always I save my money for myself. You understand? So that
No, me never say not
when me
get
all
money.
no